with the government and people of St. Kitts and Nevis and the Republic of China and Taiwan.
Welcome to our record-breaking launch of the St. Kitts and Nevis Pavilion at COP27. I bring greetings on behalf of the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, led by our Prime Minister, the Honorable Dr. Terence Stroh. Today, we are delighted to extend a warm petition and division. Welcome to the COP27 Pavilion.
Last year's Glasgow Climate Pact was an important milestone as we affirmed the commitment to 1.5 degrees Celsius.
Today is historic for two reasons. St. Kitts and Nevis launches its pavilion, and 3 ministers of government will join us at COP27. They are our former Prime Minister and current Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Right Honorable Dr. Denzel Douglas. The second, our female Minister of Environment and Climate Action, the Honorable Dr. Julia Clark. And our Minister of Energy, the Honorable Congress Maynard.
Our work has been slowed down by the global climate change. The record-breaking floods, the unstoppable forest fire, and the ongoing rising sea levels have the unprecedented temperatures all around the world have delivered a brutal reminder that no country and no economy is immune from the climate crisis.
On behalf of the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, we say a hearty thank you to the 39 years of partnership that we have endeavored with the government and people of Taiwan.